This is the Corvette key. This is unlock, lock. This is the remote start. This is the front trunk. This is the rear trunk. There's your front. There's your rear. This is your convertible top right here. To add gas to the Corvette, first make sure it's unlocked, then press on the gas cap. You'll notice there's no gas cap to unscrew. Please be sure to use 91 octane or higher fuel only. To close it, just press the cap closed. Alright, let's drive the car. The door handle is a button and it's located right under here. So we just press on that and it unlocks the door. Coming into the car, over here you have your lock and unlock button, and you have your front trunk button here and your rear trunk button here. Up here we have the window controls. This is for the rear window behind us. This is for the convertible top. This is the driver window, passenger window, and up here we have the mirror controls. To start the car, we put our foot on the brake and then we hit this stop button. The car is started. Now take a look over here. All of your climate controls are right here. We also have our heated and cooled seats. Heated seats, cooled seats. And then the passenger side is over here. These buttons control the climate control. Again, this is passenger side and this is driver side. To put the car into drive or reverse, we put our foot on the brake and pull up on this to go into drive. To go into reverse, we pull up on this. To go into neutral, we hit the N button. This M button here will go into manual mode. Now, if we want to lift the front of the car, we simply hit this button here. Watch what happens. The vehicle will raise, and if we want to remember that point as a point we always want to lift the vehicle, we'll hit this, and it will save it in the computer. Now up here you have your tire pressure monitor, you have your odometer, and down here we have our gas. So let's go ahead and get started. We're already in drive. This is auto. Let's go out and drive this. Now on our steering wheel, we have our stereo volume controls down here. We have our forward and back controls right here. What you do is you just reach your fingers around the back to activate these buttons. Here is our voice command. Here's the heated steering wheel. These switches here allow you to navigate through this menu up here. To lower the convertible top, we press down on this switch here. And there's the top lowering. Now you'll notice there's a heads-up display. Also, when the top is finished, it will give you a notification that the folding top motion is complete. For the heads-up display adjustment, it's down here. This raises and lowers the height of it. This changes the info on it. And this adjusts the brightness. Let's go ahead and drive the Corvette. We're gonna put our seatbelt on. All right, so there we are. This is the C8. You have cup holders right here. All your seat adjustments are down here on the left. You can move it forward and back. You have a bolster adjustment. My heated steering wheel is on, as you can see right here by this indicator light, and it is very comfortable. Our navigation is up here. Oh, and another important thing, to get out of the car, it's this button right here. So I have to unlock it and then hit this button to open the door. that's all I have for you on the Corvette. That's the basic principles of operating this car. The rest of it is up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you enjoy your car.